Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel Insight Investment 365. Today we're diving into 9 bad money habits that could be holding you back financially. After years of studying finance and working in investment banking, I've seen how these habits can prevent people from achieving financial freedom. Many of these habits are easy to overlook, but their impact is significant. If you've ever wondered why your money never seems to stretch as far as you'd like, this video is for you. So, let's explore these habits and how to break free from them. Paying yourself last. One of the most common money mistakes is paying everyone else first and saving whatever is left over. Many people prioritize their bills, groceries, or entertainment, leaving savings to the end. The problem with this approach is that it's easy to run out of money before you've set anything aside for the future. A better strategy is to pay yourself first. As soon as you get paid, treat savings as a non-negotiable expense, just like your rent or utilities. Aim to save at least 10% of your income, or more if possible. By putting your savings at the top of your list, you ensure that you're building your financial future instead of waiting for the scraps. This small change can be transformative over time. Getting comfortable with bad debt. In today's society, it's easy to accumulate debt. Credit cards, car loans, and even student loans can pile up quickly. While some debt is unavoidable, such as a mortgage, credit card debt, or personal loans can quickly snowball. If you're carrying high-interest debt, like credit card balances, you're essentially throwing away money on interest that could be better used elsewhere. The key is to avoid using credit for purchases unless you're certain you can pay it off immediately. If you're already in debt, focus on paying it down as aggressively as possible. Prioritize high-interest debts first, and work toward eliminating that burden for good. Living within your means and avoiding bad debt is a powerful tool for financial freedom. Neglecting emergency savings. Emergencies are a fact of life. Whether it's an unexpected medical bill, a car repair, or job loss, having an emergency fund gives you the peace of mind that you won't have to turn to credit cards or loans when things go wrong. If you haven't already, make it a priority to build an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This gives you a safety net, allowing you to weather financial storms without sacrificing your future goals. Start small and gradually build it up. Just make sure that this fund is easily accessible and separate from your regular savings or investment accounts. Not knowing your income and expenses. Many people go through life without really knowing where their money is going. You may feel like you're doing okay financially, but you might be surprised to find out how much you're spending on things that aren't essential. Tracking your income and expenses is crucial to understanding your financial health. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to get a clear picture of your spending habits. By tracking every dollar, you'll be able to identify areas where you can cut back, avoid lifestyle inflation, and make smarter financial decisions. Awareness is the first step toward financial control. Having expensive hobbies. We all need hobbies, things we do for fun, relaxation, or personal growth. But some hobbies can get expensive, and if they're draining your finances, it could be time for a change. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on activities or gear, look for ways to cut costs. Consider swapping your expensive hobby for a more budget-friendly alternative, or even look for ways to monetize your interests. For example, if you love photography, consider selling prints or offering freelance services. The goal is to balance your passion with your financial goals. Hobbies should enrich your life, not empty your wallet. Paying too much in taxes. Tax season can be stressful, but it's also an opportunity to evaluate your financial strategy. Many people overpay in taxes simply because they don't take full advantage of deductions or tax-advantaged accounts. Whether it's a 401k, IRA, or health savings account, HSA, these tools can help reduce your taxable income, allowing you to save more for the future. Consult with a tax professional or financial advisor to understand how you can minimize your tax burden. Additionally, consider keeping records of deductible expenses throughout the year to ensure you're not missing any opportunities to save on taxes. Waiting too long to invest. Another common mistake is waiting to invest. The idea that you need a huge lump sum to start investing is a misconception. In reality, starting early with small amounts can have a huge impact due to compound interest. The longer your money has to grow, the more it can work for you. If you're sitting on cash in a savings account, it's time to start investing. Whether it's stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, investing helps your money grow and outpace inflation. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Start now and adjust your strategy as you learn more. It's not about timing the market. It's about timing the market. Ignoring inflation. Inflation is the silent thief of your purchasing power. Over time, prices on everyday goods and services rise, and your money's value decreases unless it's growing at a rate that outpaces inflation. Leaving your money in a low-interest savings account is one way to slowly lose value over time. The key is to invest in assets that grow and keep up with inflation, such as stocks, real estate, or other income-generating investments. While no investment is completely immune to inflation, the right choices can help ensure that your money maintains its purchasing power in the long run. Fantasizing about wealth without a plan. Many people dream of wealth, but lack a concrete plan to achieve it. Fantasies about becoming a millionaire or retiring early can be motivating, but without a clear strategy, they remain just that, dreams. To make your dreams a reality, you need to set clear financial goals, create a budget, and stick to your plan. Having a roadmap will keep you focused on your objectives and help you measure your progress along the way. Whether your goal is to pay off debt, build an investment portfolio, or save for a down payment on a house, a well-defined plan will help you stay on track. Breaking these bad money habits is crucial for achieving financial freedom. By prioritizing savings, managing debt wisely, and investing strategically, you can take control of your finances and build a secure future. Remember, small changes today can lead to significant results over time. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to start taking steps toward better financial habits right now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start